Hello children, we are back in the class. Good morning everybody. Good morning. Good morning. Good morning, beautiful girls and beautiful boys. I hope you have had a good night's sleep, that you're fine and healthy, and that your families are also fine. Today it is Thursday. And we are in March. It is March the 26th, and the year is 2020, and we have also learned that we can say 2020 as well. And today's lesson is about protected landscapes. Protected landscapes. Okay, so we're going to go to our book. Our book in page 59, you can see page 59 here. And the name of this unit is Protected Landscapes in Spain. I'm going to make this bigger so that you can see it very well. Protected Landscapes in Spain. Okay, so Spain has very interesting landscapes. We need to protect them. National parks help protect landscapes, animals, plants in specific areas. Here we have two national parks. Here we have Picos de Europa National Park, and here we have Doñana National Park. Let's talk about Picos de Europa. Picos de Europa National Park is in the north of Spain. You can see mountain ranges, valleys, lakes, and rivers. Now, if you remember the cardinal directions that we have learned the four cardinal directions. This is the north, this is the south, this is the east, and this is the west. Okay, so and Picos de Europa is in the north of Spain, and in the north of Spain, in Picos de Europa, you can see lots of mountain ranges, valleys with lakes and big mountains, just like this one. The other one in the south of Spain is Doñana National Park. Doñana National Park is in the south of Spain, and is where the Iberian lynx lives. This is the Iberian lynx. It lives in the forests and in the marshes of this national park. These are the marshes. The marshes. Okay, and here you can also click. If you open this link, it directs you to Picos de Europa National Park website. Is a website about turismo, turismoasturias.es, right? And you can see beautiful images of Picos de Europa with the mountains and all the forests and the lakes and cows, lots of cows, and mountains, beautiful mountains, and more cows again. You can have a look at the website. It's a very interesting website. And also, if you click on this link, you can see the Doñana National Park website. It's in English, this one. It's about, you can make reservations here, but now it is closed due to coronavirus. So it's not opened. And you can see a very nice video here about Doñana National Park. You can have a look at this video at home if you wish. It's very nice. So we go back to our book. And now we go to Spanish. Mira, estamos hablando de los espacios protegidos de España, o paisajes protegidos. Aquí lo que nos cuenta es que España tiene paisajes muy interesantes que necesitamos protegerlos. Y los parques naturales es una forma en la que podemos proteger los paisajes, los animales, las plantas y de zonas muy concretas. Cuando se consigue la denominación de zona protegida, pues esos lugares pues están protegidos, no se puede construir, no se pueden hacer carreteras, en fin, están protegidos para que se puedan preservar. Y vamos a ver dos en concreto, uno de ellos, que hay más, en España hay más. Vamos a ver un poquito de el Parque Natural de los Picos de Europa, que está aquí en el norte de España, donde hay muchas montañas, cordilleras, está lleno de cordilleras, valles, lagos, ríos. Y aquí el Parque Natural de Doñana, que está aquí en el sur, que es el hogar del lince ibérico, que como recordaréis, ya sabemos que es un animal que está en peligro de extinción, que vive en los bosques y en los marshes, en los pantanos. Estos son los marshes, los pantanos de este parque natural. Después vamos a hacer este ejercicio. Read and match the national park descriptions with the photos. Lee y, más que une, significa aquí relaciona. Lee y relaciona las descripciones del parque natural con las fotos. Tenemos que poner aquí Picos de Europa National Park. Aquí dice que es la 1, pero hay algunas más. Algunas fotos más. Y Doñana National Park. ¿Qué fotos corresponden a Doñana National Park? Ok, nos vemos luego.